Hi, my name is Steve Wilkinson, and today I'd like to talk to you about our Rejuvinator product. It's a cleaning gel. It's very, very popular, often used in conjunction with our Eliminator solution, and it really has become popular in the sense that it's easy to apply and very, very effective. Can be used with water-based ink, UV ink, solvent ink. In fact, all inks used within the flexo industry. How do we apply the product? Well, a little goes a long way. Generally, we advocate using one of our eraser sponges. This is our scrubby sponge with a plastic bag, and then we have our sandwich sponge. Either work very well indeed. So how do you apply the product? Well, once you have it on the sponge, you're going to apply it in a circular motion onto the face of the Anilox roller. And you want to apply it across and around the entire face of the roll. Very important that you do this. The reason being is if you apply it in one spot only, you'll end up with a clean spot, and that potentially may transfer to the roll. During the process of applying it, you may have to reapply more product. Again, small amount goes a long way, and we're now going to keep rubbing it into the surface as uniformly as we can. And you can see the product is coming out very rapidly indeed. This product is really good on all types of rolls. People like it as well because it doesn't run, so you can apply it on press and not have to worry about the product running around and restaining the roller. So we've applied the product. What we recommend now is that you give it 2 or 3 minutes. In fact, with this product, you can even allow the product to dry. So if you're cleaning an entire press, you could start at one end, work through all your Anilox rollers and come back to the first roll and then rinse it clean. So as and when you feel that the product has been solubilized satisfactorily, we're now going to rinse it. You usually apply water to the roll, and you want to apply this around the entire circumference of the roll. And again, this is so that we can now remove the product thoroughly. I'm going to use one of our press clean wipes. It's a texturized wipe, makes it very easy for cleaning, and it aids with the removal of the product. You can see the amount of ink that's coming off this roller now, and it will remove staining and banding, very, very similar to the Eliminator product, but sometimes the product is so hard dried into the surface of the roll that you may find that an application of the gel followed by an application of the Eliminator until such a time as you're satisfied with the cleanliness and so of the roll. Now, when it's been rinsed with fresh water, one thing that is vital is that the roller is completely dry. So we're going to just keep wiping the roll until we're satisfied that we've removed all the moisture from the surface. The gel can be applied to all sizes of rollers, sleeves and rollers as well, and is extremely effective at removing deep staining and, as I say, banding. So want to make sure that we've thoroughly cleaned it, so may take a couple of applications of water. If you have a sink, you can apply the product, rinse the roller off in the sink, or in this case as I'm doing with a spray bottle. And we're just trying to get all this ink out of the coating. As you can see with our press clean wipe, it has its own cleaning additive and moisturiser. If you're using it on your skin, it will re-moisturise your skin, but it's very, very effective for cleaning any surface, and it's very, very popular, as is the Rejuvinator itself. Now, the Rejuvinator also comes in a 5-pound tub, so if you're cleaning very large rollers or you have a lot of rollers to clean, it's certainly economical to buy, and we sell the Rejuvinator in packs of 2 20-ounce bottles. So with the proper use, it will go a long way. You will be able to clean many rollers, and you really don't need a lot of product, as you saw. So make sure that you clean the roller thoroughly. Make sure there's no residue that will run around the roller. That way it prevents restaining. Make sure you clean the entire face of the roller and around its circumference. Do this on a daily, regular basis as needed. If you've left your roller over the weekend and ink has dried hard on it, or you've used different inks and they cross-linked and really bonded hard into the cells, and you will find that you'll get a better finished product. As I mentioned in other videos, if you need to get 100% assurance that your roller is deep clean, then clean the roller for a period of time in one of our ultrasonic cleaning tanks, and that will penetrate deep down into the coating with less labour. Thank you for your time.